Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO T1 Pro, and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and then we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on backup and restore option, and as you can see here we've got the section for the Google server. So we've got the backup data on. Let's tap on it and we will be immediately transferred to this Google account and Google One section. So let's tap on add account. Make sure that you've got the internet connection, because it is of course required. What is more, if you've got your Google account added to your device will allow simply to pick it as the backup account, so you don't have to add it again. Here from this step you can create the new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. And a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the @ symbol, because after tapping on next your device will simply autofill it, as you can see here. So right now we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here you've got the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got also the shortcut of the backup and storage info, so as you can see you can use 15 GB of the Google account to backup apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings and text messages. Of course you can tap on more details and learn more. Your device will backup the data automatically whenever you will be connected with the Wi-Fi, and will store it securely, and you can manage it whenever you want to. So just tap on turn on to finish everything, and here we've got another backup section, so you can check how much space you've got left. You can also manage the storage. So for example, remove some, I don't know, photos or files which you don't like and don't want to store and backup. Here you've got the backup details, what has already been backed up, and you've got the advanced settings, and I highly recommend to keep this option turned off because you can avoid some charges. So let's simply tap on backup now. And basically this is it. This is how to enable the Google backup in this device. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.